Are you looking for the best parallel clamp? In this video, we will break down the top 5 parallel clamps on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Bessey KR 3.524 parallel clamps. These 224 Bessey clamps are perfect for smaller jobs. Also for when you're not trying to break the bank. The 1,500 pounds of clamping force on these Besseys will grip whatever you need them to. The molded soft grip handle makes gripping and torquing a breeze. You can crank these bad boys all day without feeling a thing. The cold-drawn steel alloy rail with 6 serrated edges on these Bessey clamps keeps you clamping secure and slip-proof. At 24 long, these clamps aren't going to handle huge tabletop glue-ups. But they've got a deep throat and the heads stay parallel as pie. At number 2. Jorgensen Cabinet Master 90 degrees Parallel Jaw Bar Clamp. Jorgensen Cabinet Master 90 degrees Parallel Jaw Bar Clamp is an ideal clamp for projects requiring square assemblies. For example, to make a flat panel, box, cabinet, frame and panel doors assemblies, Jorgensen Cabinet Master Parallel Jaw Bar Clamp is an essential tool to be used. It is a great clamp for one-handed use. Its built-in clamp stand lets the clamp stay upright and easier sliding head adjustment for one-handed use. The jaws are large in size and made from steel. There is a locking system to prevent the workpiece from bowing or lifting. It does not matter whether you clamp at the tip or deeper in the clamp, both of the jaws stay parallel. Moreover, they are designed as rapid action jaws. These are clamp space-saving clamps when you have to do several glue-ups. On large glue-up, 2 parallel clamps stand stable and do not consume table space, making you wait until they become dry. You can also use this clamp as a spreader. To convert it into a spreader, you have to reserve the sliding head on the bar, and it will turn into a spreader. The ergonomic design 2-component molded soft grip handle is really very comfortable to hold and use. Its design is such that your applied pressure will easily spread over the surface area of the whole object. At number 3. Irwin Clamp 2,026,501 Parallel Jaw Box. With 48 inches in size, the Irwin clamp is able to hold the materials up to 1,150 pounds, making it powerful enough to be the best. Thus, clamping force has been ensured. Moreover, the clamp is able to hold materials up to 3 inches thick with 90-degree angle. So you can guess how powerful it will be. Not only that, its body has been made of resin as well as the jaw, so that it can prevent marring as well as resist glue adhesion. The material will also be durable enough to perform clamping jobs for long. However, some plastic parts were claimed to be of low quality by users, but they love the clamp's performance. It also comes with jaw depth that will be 3/3/4 inches deep, to provide you with optimum distribution of pressure. Not only that, you will also love to have a secure locking system. This feature comes very handy to keep the jaws from slipping. As a result, it will allow for firmer and comfortable use without any accidents. At number 4. Bora 40-inch Parallel Clamp. The padded jaws of this clamp can ensure constant and evenly distributed pressure while not damaging your workpieces. They are not too tight or too loose, and if it can actually handle a 1,100 pounds pressure as Bora has claimed, this clamp is a decent choice for heavy-duty tasks. Bora has also equipped the jaws with the passive locking feature, which helps them stay in place when you adjust them. The handle is pretty big but still easy to maneuver. You can use it to release and slide the jaw along the bar to quickly your workpieces. Overall, the Bora 40-inch parallel clamp is something you usually expect from other more well-known brands. But it does have a problem with the bars, which are not completely parallel. You can work around this by doing some fine-tuning. At number 5. Yost K5024 Parallel Clamp. The Yost K5024 24-inch parallel clamp is both affordable and high quality. Granted, this tool is a little more basic. There aren't any fancy features, but you do get a reliable lightweight aluminum design that should hold up well to normal use. It even has an ergonomic comfort grip that will be your friend during long hours on the job. However, there's an issue in terms of durability. While most projects should go fine, you might run into trouble with high-pressure clamping. If put under too much stress, the bar will bend or even snap, so you definitely need to be careful in how you use the tool.